South Africa has a number of talented and world-renowned photographers. We are fortunate to be handling a few iconic photography lots on the March online auction. And my personal favorite is this work by Peter Hugo titled Abdullah Muhammad with Manasara. This work is part of the series Gadawankura, meaning the Hyena men, done between 2005 and 2007. The reason I love this particular work and this series is because of the story behind it. Peter Hugo saw an image of a group of men walking the streets of Lagos, Nigeria with hyenas in chains, which fascinated him to the point that he had to know more about this unique and quite controversial group. He got on a plane to Lagos a few weeks later, and with the help of a journalist, he was able to track the group down. It was a group of men, a little girl, 3 hyenas, 4 monkeys, and a few rock pythons. They were known as performers, using the animals essentially for economic survival. On Hugo's first trip, he spent 8 days traveling with the group, and he became fascinated more with the relationship between the animals and their handlers, which was sometimes affectionate and also cruel. It was these moments he wanted to capture through these portraits. Hugo did not feel satisfied after his first trip, and so he went back again in 2007. And through the second trip, the relationship with the group was much stronger, which allowed him to get more intimate portraits. It was more than a group of exotic performers. There were themes of dominance, codependence, and submission that kept appearing. And these motifs are related to the relationships we have with ourselves, animals, and nature. Hugo did not just photograph the group from afar. He inserted himself into their world. He got to know them, understand them, and it was this relationship that resulted in such intimate and powerful series of images, of which this particular lot is my favorite. While the series raised concerns from animal rights groups, Hugo raised 3 other powerful questions through this body of work. Why do these performers need to catch wild animals to make a living? Why are they economically marginalized? And why Nigeria, which is the 6th largest exporter of oil at the time, is in such a state of disarray? We have more incredible photography lots by Michael Shabotsky, Ati Pacharuga, and Guy Tillem on the auction. The auction is set to start on the 22nd of March and ends on the 29th. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more of our art talks and our art content, and follow us on social media.